Hello guys, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video I will show you how to connect wallet on YESCOIN. As you can see, when you open up your YESCOIN application right away, when you open up your YESCOIN account using your Telegram application, it will load up like this, and at the home page it will give you such options saying hot rewards, join channel, follow on X, join group, and connect wallet. So you have to click on connect wallet and you get 500k YESCOINs. So click on connect wallet, and when you connect your wallet you get 500k YESCOINs. So just click on this option here and then click on connect wallet. So you have to choose Tone Keeper wallet over there, okay, and then tap on it. So when you tap on it, you have to tap on open in Telegram, and then it will load up the Tone Keeper wallet like that. Okay, so this is just a prompt to make you connect your wallet. So when the prompt has finished loading up, you connect your wallet automatically on your YESCOIN application or on your YESCOIN account, just like that. As you can see, mine is still loading, but it's all the same. When I finish loading over here, it will be connected because it showed me the prompt to connect my wallet onto a YESCOIN application. Alright guys, so I hope you found value in this video. If so, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Until next time, we shall meet.